welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So guys, for today's video, I will do unboxing to the secret box or blind box that I bought from Mega Plaza. So once again guys, Mega Plaza is the biggest toy mall here in Bangkok, Thailand. So it is located to the borders of Phahurat and Chinatown. So I am very sorry guys for the background noise because my dogs are playing. So yes guys, I decided to go there again, and I bought 3 different kinds of secret box or blind box. So I am very addictive to the blind box or secret box. I don't know. I am very excited to open. So, and I am very excited to show you guys what I bought in Mega Plaza. So let's take a look. So the first one guys that I bought is Yaya. So I will open each blind boxes later. The next one is the Baby Billy. Oh, this one guys, the first time we went there, this Baby Billy is very expensive. So that's why I decided not to buy that time. But when I go there for the second time, okay, I decided to buy this one. The next one is Pig Baby Small Ranch. This one is very cute guys, so cute. So let's go. I will show you each blind box and let's open each box. So guys, the first blind box that I bought is Yaya. It calls Yaya Little Mischievous Bag. So this one I saw it in TikTok and I am very curious. So when I go there to Mega Plaza, I try to find it, and this one guys is very cheap, maybe because it's small. So if you bought one box, one full box, it's cost 1,400 baht, and if they have discount, it's cost 1,200 each box. So this one I bought it 180 baht that time because this one is a very trending in Thailand. So it's new and it's very cute, very cutesy. So yeah, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different kinds, and there is a secret. So this one. So let's open. So this how it looks like. Oh, if I open the blind box, it's always failed. I don't know how to. Okay, still my dogs are noisy. So I will check later the picture. I want to open first the plastic. So this one, it says Yaya. So guys, if you ask me, by the way, I want to have maybe the pink one. It's cute, rabbit. Yeah, pink. I want pink. Oh, it smells so good. I get the gray one. And I think the eyes, oh, the eyes is movable, but the other eyes is not. But it's so cute, guys. I got Sissy, the gray one, Sissy. Oh, so cute. I will hang it to my Louis Vuitton bag. So it says Sissy. Very cute. It's too small. Lovely. Oh, and it smells so nice. It smells so good. Wow. So nice. It says nice. Alright, so this is the first blind bags that I bought in Mega Plaza. So let's go to the second, which is the Baby Billy. So this one, guys, I bought it only 330 baht. It's sale. But the first time we went there, the cost is 650 baht, something like this. So I decided not to buy because that time I bought expensive one. So, but this time it's 50% sale, or like, yeah, 50% sale, because I got it 330 baht only. So I would advise, guys, if you want to go to Bangkok, Thailand, and then if you want to buy a secret box, don't miss to go to the Mega Plaza. So they have a lots of different kinds of toy. Disclaimer, this is not unsponsored of the Mega Plaza. I want to give you an advice where you buy the blind boxes. So they have a lot of collections, toys, blind boxes, and I would advise, guys, that you go there every Sunday because they have a lot of sale. So this one is Baby Billy. So Baby Billy, it says all styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got the Baby Billy have 6 characters. The first one is Rabbit Pajamas. Second is Cow Pajamas. I'm sorry, it's Cow Pajamas. Next is Penguin Pajamas. Next is Red Panda Pajamas. And Giraffe Pajamas. And Bear Pajamas. If you ask me, guys, what I want to get, I want the Penguin Pajamas. Penguin. Why? Because our car, I decorated it penguin design style. So again, I'm sorry for the background noise because my dogs are playing because they just ate dinner, so they have very active and they have a lot of energy. So let's open. See, I open like this. See, I don't know how to open. Oh. So this one, guys, the Billy. Oh, so fluffy. Let me open. Wow, what is this? This one is, oh, this one is Penguin. So cute. Penguin Pajamas. But this one is like a bag, you know. But it's okay. I will put it to our car as a collection. So this one is Penguin. So nice. I love it. So let me check. Let me confirm. My dogs, they want to get... Oh, yeah. This is a bag because it has a string for bag. Yeah. Penguin pajamas. I got penguin pajamas, guys. Wow, and this one is so cute. But I will not put it, guys, because I will put it inside the car. So penguin pajamas. So here. Alright, so let's go to the last blind box that I bought in Mega Plaza. Alright guys, so the last box that I bought in Mega Plaza is Pig Baby Small Ranch. This one, guys, is also a sale. I bought it only 300 baht. But when we first time we went there, it cost 550 baht. So I went there holiday. It's King's birthday. Maybe that's why they have a lot of sales. So this one is the characters. So they have 6 characters. It has 6 characters and 1 secret. So the secret named Kai Kai. So the first one, the brown, is Keke. Next is Sese. Next is Yuan Yuan. Next is Sean Sean. Next is Yu Yu. And next is Ow Ow. And the last is Kai Kai, the secret box. So if you ask me what should I want to get, maybe I want Yuan Yuan, the pink one, because I don't have the pink one. So here. I'm very excited because I love this. I want this. I want to have this one. So let's open. Where is the... Oh, this one is different one. You have to destroy the box. But how can I destroy? Ah, you have to open like this. And then... So I will check the picture later. I want to get the plastic first. Oh, this one. It looks like this. So, Nino Pig Baby Small Ranch. So let's open. I'm very excited. I hope I get pink. Oh, I got white. Who I got? I got Sese. Oh, lovely. So cute. No smell. But the yaya, it smells so good. So, guys, alright guys, so here are the blind boxes that I've got to Mega Plaza. So this one is so cute, the pig one. So this one is Baby Billy. This one is Pig Baby Small Ranch. And the last one, the very cutesy small one, is Yaya. So this one, I want to put this one to my Louis Vuitton bag. This one is so cute. Because the size of my Louis Vuitton is very small. And it fits here. So that's all for today, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on my next video, guys. Bye.